parang ako iniisip ko na makikipag-usap ako sa AI parang ang weird. Si Siri nga minsan 'di ba, na ano, minsan nawi-weirduhan na ako 'pag nakakausap ko siya. But again, it's something na talagang super important in like sportscasting and media in general, kasi yun yung nagpapadali ng trabaho natin as people who want to deliver the news. Pero 'pag ang point is more on the talking side, you leave it to the ones who can talk and are willing to relay the message, that rather than the established ones who already know everything. Kasi, kumbaga, what's the thrill of people who already know everything? Like, doon nawawala yung soul. Doon nawawala yung essence ng sinasabi. Compared to people na who does the research, who puts in the work, who actually goes to places para to show you the situation na parang, uy, dito may bagyo, uy, dito parang may lava thing. You don't see AI do that.